Hey everyone, this is Preston with Better Pastures Farm. So today I want to talk a little bit about this project that we got going on. So we had someone reach out to us and wanted to get a better stand of grass growing in his yard. So I brought 2 horses over and these 3 milk cows. And what we did here, tell you a little bit about it. What we did here, we fed 12 round bales. So we just started rolling out the hay and letting the cows eat it, trample. As you can see, there's a little bit of greenery starting to come up, which we are in November already, so this is preparation for next spring. But one thing I want to talk about is it's so crucial to have some litter. We got to get some carbon down on the soil. If you want to grow some grass, we got to get some carbon down. You got to get a litter bank being formed. And that's going to help jumpstart your biology and get your biology going. Walk over here. So this is a yard that he brought his skid steer in, and he took a lot of the topsoil off. So a lot of this was just because he kind of formed it the way he wanted to form it, and he pushed the water off to run off down through there. So it was pretty absent. It's pretty down to, there's a lot of rock. So there wasn't going to be much growing. So I told him, let me come in here with some hay and some animals, and you'll have a lush yard next year. And I firmly believe it. We put a ton of carbon down, and then we got all the manure, the urine from these animals. You know, they're pounding all this hay into the ground, and now the soil biology can start going on it. And then next year all this is going to be deteriorated, and it's just going to be beautiful. So we do have a few head in here. We got these 2 milk cows and the calf, and then we got these 2 bigger horses in here. But you can really, one thing I want to point out is you can really do it with anything, guys. Get you some animals of any kind and get laying the carbon down. The carbon is the critical thing here. We gotta get our biology going and get that soil woke up, and the animals do such a good job at doing that, you know, with the impact of the hooves and then depositing all the urine, and really makes a huge difference on how this starts to get woke up. But if you look at this, we just got, you know, a ton of hay all over this, and then where there's not hay, you got these patties, and this is just going to get going crazy next spring. I thought it was a fun little project to tackle, and then just to see how it gets woken up and how his yard's going to do so much better next year. Next spring, if I remember, I'll have to do another video on what this looks like in the spring. But we just got tons of organic matter laid back down. You don't got to get crazy with it, just get some litter thrown down. Well, with that being said, we will sign out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.